I'm coming for my brother! You should prepare yourself, because I guarantee you're not getting a happy ending either! Black Whip with machine stored inside. A boosted binding combo! Black Chain! Boosted for nothing. That move's not going to work twice.
Once you use this, it's over.
Second transmission. I'm going to stop you. Second gear. Third gear. Top gear! Your feet have to touch fast. Gear shift. Overdrive!
And at this moment, Izuku Midoriya is exceeding his perceived limits. He's operating at 120%!
Try